Meaning of effing.
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 Effing. Effing is a minced oath that is used in place of the profanity fucking. It is often used to indicate strong emotion or frustration, especially in situations where using the actual profanity would be inappropriate or offensive. Despite its widespread use, some people still consider effing to be a form of cursing and may find it offensive. In general, it is best to avoid using this word in polite company and to remember that there are many other ways to express oneself without resorting to profanity.